for the wild card. It's a very great opportunity for to compete and in this higher level and gain valuable experience. So I see it as a motivation to do better or to do my best.
What are your expectations for yourself? Kasi as you mentioned, it's your first WTA 125 tournament.
My expectation po is there's a lot talaga ng mga top players kasi WTA 125 na po to. So I'll just do my best and yeah, I will do my best talaga.
Kumusta ba yung preparations mo, Tenny? Anong ginagawa mo para ihanda yung sarili mo sa next level na tournament like this?
So I've been training consistently and yeah, with my team, Philippine Tennis Academy, with Coach Bob Angelo, and my teammates.
May binago ba kayo sa training mo? Kasi nga since WTA 125 to, mas ibang game to eh. May ganun bang pagbabago sa inyo?
Yes po. It's like very intensive training and then improve po yung mga muscles. Yes po.
Tenny, ano yung mga biggest lessons from the SEA Games that you want to bring in your first WTA experience?
So, the lessons po na maano ko is to do my best and have fun lang po.
Ano yung advice sa'yo nung ni Coach Bobby at ng mga teammates mo sa national team heading into the tournament? May advice ba sila or tips na binibigay sa'yo?
Yes po. Yung palagi lang po na sinasabi ng coach ko na si Coach Bobby is to laban para sa bayan and gugabang po sa para talaga po sa bayan.
Nabanggit mo ngayon para sa bayan, you're gonna be competing sa harap ng mga Pinoy din. Gaano ka exciting or ano yung feeling for you?
It feels so special po and grabe po, I'm so very excited po and
yung mga kalaban mo sa Philippine Open or less mga nakalaban ng Alex in the past, gano'n ka ka-excited na prospect?
super excited kasi makalaban ko po yung mga higher level na mga players and yeah, I'm so very excited.
May ranking points ka ba sa WTA? Tapos, this year ba, nakakomit ka na to US Open?
Not really.
Pero, do you plan to study